Another way that you can use Read Aloud is to select specific text that you want to hear. So if I only want to hear this section here, I can highlight it, and then if I right click and I go to Read Aloud selection, it will only
Our further education and training programs are funded by the exchange.
It will only read that section there, meaning when it gets down to this full stop, it will stop. If I didn't want to read this top section here, say if I wanted to read just this bottom section here again, all I do is highlight the particular sentence or particular section, and then I right click on it and I can say continue to read from here.
Some courses may require fees to be paid.
Again, we can hit pause and we can select our next section if we want to. If you go up too high with your selection, don't worry, keep your finger on the mouse and then just bring it back down. That can be a little bit tricky. So this is more expert level when we're listening to our web pages.
We offer training courses, PLC courses, ATEI and VTOS courses.
So again, this is just another way that you can use the Read Aloud with a little bit more specificity, or being more specific about what it is you want to hear. It means you don't have to listen to the entire page if you don't want to.